Guys, and welcome back to another video with my door is shut. And today, that was a really odd thing to put up in the middle. But today we are going to be playing Star Stables, and I do have a quest that if you guys don't know about, it's a quest over here. And also, if you're wondering why I have no gear on, it's because I'm hiding a user interface, which is all the quests bits around it. And I'm a wild horse. Let me just explain. There you go. See, I got it back. And become a wild horse. Click off. Let's get you. Put her tag back on. If you can tell, this is one of my new horses, as I'll soon be. I say soon, I won't be soon. I have to get up to level 16. Then when I get up to level 16, I will be able to unlock the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. And to unlock the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, you need a horse that can tolerate the cold. Hence this horse. It says up here. So it's a breed North Swedish horses. All the North Swedish horses were grown up in cold areas and temperatures like that. And that little symbol there, so it says this breed is especially tolerant of the extreme okay, just forget about that. Winter cold. So it's good with the winter cold. Because whenever you go to the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, if you have a horse that doesn't tolerate the cold, they can only do hunter. That's as fast as they'll go because it's too cold for them. So that's why I have this horse, and she'll go really fast. And of course, I have such a business, and I'm up to level 5 with her. And I got her yesterday, and I did a few races and got up to level 5. And so, if you have unlocked these quests with him, Linda in Silverlade Vineyard will give you the quest you get to come to him and ask him a few questions. And so then you'll get the quest to give someone these the 5-leaf closers. Apparently they're 5 leaves now. So I'm just going to show you where they are because the person's name is Pa, and I didn't look up a video. I went out specifically to go find them, and they are really hard to find. I was going to ride that, but I was just like, nah. I was like, nah. So I'm drinking my drink. A bit thirsty, it's very hot. And I look at the window and it's cloudy. It was hot this morning. So you simply just go to Silverlade Manor if you are new to Star Stables and they've added up a new update. Come to Silverlade Manor, clearly from the garage thingy-majiggy, whatever you want to call it. You come down, you come around, you see those 2 barrels there? There's 5, there's a 2 on one side and 3 on the other. I'm going to start with my drink, I haven't got me soaked. You will just end up having to then just keep picking along the road, heading over to the Golden Hills, which is hence Golden Hills. I ran into a hill, I am so sorry. Also, I called that ice beam because they're used to cold, so that doesn't even represent me about what they do. So I'm just going to be doing a few quests and a few races if you want to see me doing a ridiculous job. So it's this one. If you also want to look at your quest, you just have to simply click on this, which says quest log, which is on your little hoof print. Go on to ongoing, available, or daily, which are just daily races and things you can do, or races and. I remember the witch being down here. Sorry, I did this quest like about a week ago, and I think the witch is down here. Can you see her? Because I can't. Oh, yes, she is. She's here, still here. Ongoing. Here you go, weird witchy girl. Oh, God, you look ugly. No offense. I'm Teehee, little girl. I don't think you realise what you've just done. Are you trying to threaten me? Are you trying to threaten me? I'm just gonna forget this. This is oh God, creepy witch. Okay, creepy witch. You update really? Guy at the circus, why did you update my journal? Yes. Bye bye, little girl. I don't need you anymore. For now. Ha 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 ha. Very funny. You look scary. The CEO just flew. I'll follow you. Oh, she went to the Golden Hills. Oh yeah, in Golden Hills there's like a little witch's den where she lives. She's probably heading off there. Goodbye. You suck. Really hard. You really suck. So those are my few quests. I think I have a few more. Oh, we're just gonna have to get on with races because I don't have many quests. Tell Linda about the circus. Oh, Linda is just up here, so we can easily ride up to her. Jump. I could do the races here first. Yep, you're right. I'm gonna do a race in here. You know me, I'm probably gonna end up failing. Should take me too long to do these races. Let's try the Baroness's first show jumping race. Yes, 3, not 5. Let's do this. I want to fail. Okay, let's see. If I win, leave a like. If I don't, then just dislike. Seriously, you know what's gonna happen. Ah! Don't fail now. Ha! I haven't lost. And then I just lose. I can guarantee you it's gonna happen. Alright, concentrating. Woo! Woo! Slow the heck down. Okay. By the way, guys, also a trick, you can walk behind there, which I'll show you in a minute. But you do have to glitch to get into that one. So. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, I thought I'd failed that. I did it! Yay! Let's head up to Linda now. Okay, that's my escape. That was irritating. Even my XP. Thank you! Let's go to Linda, because I don't have long left on my video. I only have 7 minutes. No, 8, 9. No, I do have 8. I'll soon have 7. Let's head up to Linda. Linda. So we're heading up to Linda to tell her about the circus. Also, Linda is just up here by the stables. Oh, things might just become a huge Star Stables episode where I do videos like every day on this, and I just post them on my channel, and they get like 0. They get like 5 million dislikes. Oh well, I think that's it. I did like a Star Stables like every Friday or something. That seems fun. See, I've got the time lapse for Alex Returns, which is really weird. Tell Linda about the circus. Let's do it. The man at the circus had you searching for 4-leaf clovers for a witch, and you just went along with this. Sorry, I find that funny. Sorry, I shouldn't judge. You're still new to the whole magic is real thing. It took some adjusting for me too. It hasn't taken any adjusting, Linda, and also I'm glad my horse is in you. Nor was I. At least I'd read a lot of stories about magic before. I learned about my gifts. Yeah, I learned about my gifts. You'd been surprised how close some fantasy writers got. I think that's what it said. Don't judge me. I struggle to read. That's why I don't read. Okay. Okay, now I'm guessing I have to wait a day. See you tomorrow. Okay. Right, what do we do? I don't know. What do we do? I guess we can do some races. Why don't we do the Silverblade races? Ooh, I could tell you that. But that would be boring because I could sit all day nattering on. So, I don't want to bore you guys out, so I'm not going to natter. Let's do some races and fail every single freaking one. Nice saddle. I had the black version of hers. That's good. The way my horse jumps is weird because like they go down before they even land. I had one of these before and I got rid of it because I didn't like it, but now I got them again because I like them. I didn't like the way they ran, but now I love the way they ran. Just like it's so cute because they bounce up and down a lot. I guess just a long time ago it wasn't my need. I'm gonna tell you the horses I'm getting for the future for the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur. First one. The first one I will be getting is the Icelandic horse, which will be the first one that I will be able to get. They are a new Hillcrest in Epononibinaba. Don't ask me what the name is, seriously, just don't. Epononia. It's E-P-O-N-A. I'm pretty sure. E-P-N-O-A. NOA? I don't know. It's something like that. That's what I remember it being like. But yeah. Concentration is the key. I didn't ever do that cheat before. That little trick. Also, there'll be a lot of races and championships I'll be doing. I'm also from now on saving up my pocket money so I can get pro recorder, as I've said for quite a long time, but now I literally am, because before I was just getting my pocket money and then using it before I even got to it. So now I'm saving up. I'm pretty sure it's £32. £32 to get the pro recorder so I can make unlimited like episodes in time, and also I can edit my videos. Finished. I'll collect my XP. And then I don't know what else there is to do, you know. We'll tell you what we could. Was that the only race I had? Did I not do it yesterday? Why was that the only race I had for me? I am confused. There's three. She does 3 races, as you can see. I'm really confused. Well, we need to head to Mrs. Drake in Jerilli. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't ask. We could go to Hermit's Cottage. Those are cool races. Let's head to Hermit's Cottage. That's in Southfield Peninsula, and I love the music they play. It's so cool. And it's bagpipes. I love bagpipes. Also, you take the boat here. I'm blowing into my bottle to make it sound like that. These ponies here are so nice. Oh, we're putting up the carrots. Fun. I have quite a few spaces in my stables as I got rid of 4 places, and I have so many now. I have so many like places in my stables to fit anything in. So I might be getting one of these Jorvik ponies as they're cute as fudge. They're so cute, seriously. If you have the chance to get this place and unlock those horses, it's a friendship quest. So you have to do all these quests by feeding in the carrots and putting all the carrots out. Once you get to a certain level and stuff, then you'll be able to like once you've finished the friendship quest, then you'll be able to buy one of those ponies. So I am saving up space for getting them. I thought that was a spot. Where's the next spot? Oh, they go down there. Also, I bought these 2 today. This is the red one, and then that's a green one. Because I'm collecting up saddle pads and stuff. Because all my horses share their own saddles. So, yeah. Apart from my magicals, which they don't. Where is the other spot? Oh, you have to be joking me. It's all the way over there. Hooray! Okay, this video is almost coming to an end. So, also, my last video kind of failed. I failed and ran into that. Also, I'm kind of trying to get some more, get some videos, stick them together to make one whole video, because I did a vlog of my Eastbourne trip, and well, I got quite a few footage, but towards the end of the day, I didn't forget at all. It's just in the arcades it said no filming, and also I got a few films. I did get only on the bus because it also said no filming, but it only said photos, no filming. I don't know why. It was a bus. It was a tour bus. So this video is almost coming to an end. So I'm gonna try and upload that. See if we can make this. No, we can't. I knew it wouldn't make it. I just attempted it because I'm like that. But yeah, I'm gonna try and make a video possibly every Friday or every day on Star Stables. I'm gonna get a few things done in between. This video is about to come to an end. I'm gonna try and do videos every Fridays. It's probably gonna be every 2 days on Star Stables, hopefully, because I have got summer term offs. But during after schools, it probably won't be that. So I'm gonna collect this quest and say bye and end it off. Right. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much. It was just like a tick off like I did before on what's happening and stuff. And it was like when I did the Reaper thing for Subnautica. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and